Hi everybody, this is Gary Dean with Sentiment Timing, and this is our free video report for Wednesday, July 27th, 2016. I hope your trades have been going fantastic, and let's get started. So I've been getting a lot of emails about people saying that Woody's wrong with the black hole because we are making new highs. And the thing is this, is that if you don't know what a black hole is, how do you know he's wrong? And there is never any kind of clause that if new highs were made, that the black hole was going to be eliminated. Now, the black hole is a low date. So back here, he was, this is going back in 2014 in August. Woody was warning that we had a black hole environment that was coming in October. So you knew that it was, you had some kind of topping pattern that was going to have to come, and the black hole was coming on this date. So this is why I'm saying that if you don't know what the black hole is, or when it's supposed to be happening, how do you know it's wrong? And he predicted this black hole, and it was over 200 points on the S&P. This one, the kill zone, he predicted. This was, I think, 260 points. This was another one that he predicted. So the thing is that, yeah, it's coming, and the only thing we've been doing is kind of warning people. Has nothing to do with it's happening. I mean, we're a for-profit service, so we're trying to get people to subscribe, and we can't give you all the information, but we can give you some warnings here and there, and just try to get you to follow probably one of the best market timers in the world. So I just really wanted to get that out of the way, that, the black hole is still, it's still coming. It's just a matter of when this market tops. And the black hole has absolutely nothing to do with when it tops. It has to do when it's going to be crashing. So at Sentiment Timing, we believe that human beings in the markets are irrational, and there's always going to be an irrational element at work, and that's what creates market opportunities. The black hole being one of them, because everybody is going to be bullish right before a big market drop. So this was what I was talking about with the 2014 black hole, and it went here. But the thing is, notice how everybody was bullish on the markets right before this move happened. And that is what we're seeing right now, actually, even in a more exaggerated way, which I'll show you. But again, this was going into where nobody actually thought the market was going to go down because we were making new highs, and this is what happened. So the black hole is still in play. Now, what I was talking about with the thrill, I had showed you that with the sentiment, basically what happens is once you get into the thrill part of things, it's when you want to start closing your long positions, and then start looking for a shorting opportunity into the euphoria. And then when it starts getting into the capitulation, you start closing your short positions and you start looking long, and this process repeats over and over, and it repeats on different time frames, intermediate term and short term. So I had said that I thought we were in the thrill part of things, and this is the slide that I showed you last week, and we've pretty much gone nowhere. So we have the thrill. Here's your euphoria. Are we still going to get a spike up? We might. We'll have to wait and see on things, but we know that we have sentiment that is at extremes, and this is the latest sentiment reading. Now, I personally have never seen this many bullish sentiment readings in this short of a time. So everybody is bullish on this market, and it's going to be heading into what Woody is saying. He's seen strength like that in this situation up to 1 month before a black hole environment. Stocks are on the cusp of a black hole environment, but no one will likely see that. everybody here is bullish on the market, so they're not expecting any kind of big drop, and that's what is needed for these black holes to form. Because how can a big decline in the market happen if everybody is bearish on the markets? They get bearish at the wrong times and they get bullish at the wrong times. Now, the high sentiment readings doesn't mean that it has to drop right away, but when you start seeing the moving average getting up here and the series of extreme bullish sentiment readings, it's a red flag. So let's just take a look at the regular charts on the S&P. Now, this right here is a reverse symmetrical triangle. It is a topping pattern. It traps a lot of people, and it actually fits the upcoming black hole environment, because if you notice here, if you just look at the lows here, this is support. So once this support broke, everybody gets bearish on the markets, but they don't know that this is an expanding top or reverse symmetrical triangle. So everybody gets bearish on the markets. Then we bounce up, and they continue to short and short and short. And then from here, they start to believe in the rally, and then we get to the thrill part, and now we get into the euphoria, and again, everybody is now bullish on the market because we're at the top of this reverse symmetrical triangle, and it's been following it to a T, and we still might get another pop up. This is the stuff that we want to just keep an eye on. We already Woody today put out a trigger for to look for a short position, and when that happens, that will most likely be the time to switch hats from the long position to the short position. Now, we have these bearish divergences that have been in place for a very, very long time. When they get extended like this, you get extreme bullish sentiment readings, and from there we get the black hole drop. So that is pretty much it right now for this week. It's the market is boring. We know that because nobody's really protecting themselves, and we can see that through the VIX as well as the VXX. We know sentiment is at extremes. We know we have bearish divergences, and now we just kind of wait for a topping pattern, and that's pretty much it. So again, I guess the main point that I wanted to make with this video is that the black hole is a bottom pattern, and when that happens, notice the move that happened after that. It's massive to the upside. So when you know when the low is, even if you get in a little bit early, this is your reward on it. And if you know when the black hole is coming, you can actually trade it both ways, and that's really what we're looking for right now. So I'm keeping actually the same coupon code as last week. It's $199 for the first 2 months, and it goes to $149.99 each month after. Just use your coupon code special 072016. And again, for anybody that signs up, you are become a free member of my Markets Path site, and that I do nightly video reports like this. I give out some morning notes, trades that I'm making, I send out, and we have a trade room. So if you join Sentiment Timing, you can become a free member for that. And until next week, good luck with your trades.